Guys, today we're taking a look at this BERFY case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It's got hinge protection, a privacy screen, MagSafe and a proper kickstand. But is it any good? Well, stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so you know what, if that's your kind of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the BERFY case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And you know what, protecting a folding phone is slightly more complicated than a normal phone because as well as the screen, cameras and corners, you've also got that hinge to worry about. Now guys, before we get into it, BERFY did send this over to me for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, we've got the case. We have some instructions. Now, it's worth reading the instructions because there is a particular way to install this case on the phone. Now, we've also got some replacement stickers and we've got a fitting kit. Now, taking a look around the case and immediately you see this case offers considerably more protection than one of those ultra thin snap-on cheapo cases. We've got the hinge cover down the side. We've got a privacy screen protector built into the front section, and around the back, there's a large horizontal kickstand with the magnetic MagSafe ring built into it. So you know what? Quite a lot has been incorporated into this case. Now, fitting was a breeze. Snap the front section in on first and then put the back section in. Do it from the bottom upwards and everything just clicks in really nicely. And once it's on, yeah, you know what? It does add a little bit more size to the case, but you know what? That's inevitable if you want a proper bit of protection around a folding device. Now, the most important part for me is the hinge, and that's one of the areas that I really wouldn't want hitting the floor on a phone this expensive. And this case keeps it covered when the phone is closed. BERFY also describes this as military grade and shockproof. Now, I'm not going to start throwing this thing around the studio just to test that, but there is a decent amount of protection around the corners, edges, and that all-important hinge. Then guys, on the front we've got the built-in privacy screen protector. Now looking straight at the display, everything looks normal. Move around to the side and you know what, the screen becomes much harder to see. So if you regularly use your phone on trains, planes or in public places, that could actually be pretty useful. Now guys, around the back we have this large horizontal kickstand, and on a fold I think this makes more sense than it does on a normal phone, because you know what, open the phone up, pull the stand out and you've got a nice stable landscape position for watching videos, for gaming or even video calls. And because it runs across the whole back section of the case, it feels pretty stable on the desk. Now, built into that same section is the MagSafe-compatible magnetic ring. So you can use magnetic chargers. In fact, I've got an AI note taker on here, and you know what? That's pretty cool. You could also mag your wallet on if you have the right kind of wallet. And in fact, you know what? Pretty much any mag accessory. And the magnets are good. Nothing moving around here. The other important question is whether all this protection gets in the way when actually using the fold. And you know what? It doesn't. The phone still opens normally and closes normally. That hinge protection moves with it, and we still have access to all the ports and the cameras. Now, if you want the thinnest possible setup for your fold, then you know what? This probably isn't it. But if you want proper hinge protection along with a privacy screen, kickstand and magnetic accessory support, this bad boy has got you covered. So guys, there you have it. The strongest feature for me is the hinge protection, simply because that's one of the most vulnerable parts of a folding phone. I really like the kickstand. It's great for travel, particularly on low-cost airlines where you've got to fit your Pringles and your can of Coke on a postage stamp sized table. And the MagSafe compatibility is useful if you already use magnetic chargers or mounts. Now, the privacy screen is more of a personal thing. Some people will love it, others probably won't care. I don't particularly care, but you know what? At least it's built in rather than something else you need to add later. Yes, the case does add a little bit of size and a bit of weight, but you know what? That's the trade-off for this level of protection. And overall, I think BERFY have put together a pretty sensible case for the Fold 8 Ultra. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick the BERFY case up for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra for around £87. Yes, I know £87 sounds like a lot of money for a phone case, and it probably is, but think about what you're protecting. These phones cost over £2,000, so a 4%-ish kind of investment in the case, you know what? That's not such a bad thing. And if it stops you worrying about how you protect this, yeah, you know what? £87 doesn't sound so bad over time. Anyway, I will leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to BERFY for sending me this cool Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, yeah, it's a mouthful, case to review. I'm Dave from Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.